the Rainforest race book all by myself to the end. We are on Armadillo's race team. Let's get to the start gate. Ready, set, race. The race goes under the nut trees. When the ground works, it makes the trees shake. When the trees shake, the nuts fall. When the trees shake, the nuts
Read louder.
The other teams slow down. They cannot keep up their fast pace. What can we do? Yeah, Armadillo has a hard shell. Will you make a shell to lift up your arms and make a shell? We made it. It is very muddy in this place. How can we make it through the mud? Armadillos are great diggers who can make a path. The other teams are fast. They might make it to the finish gate first. How can we win the race? What shape can Armadillo make? She can make a
Louder
shape. And roll to the finish gate. Curl up and make a ball. Roll, roll, roll. We made it. We won the race. Done.